So I'm starting today's session now. Okay. So uh, a strong downtrend, hammer candle, break weak of the previous candle with a strong volume, next candle bearish. Okay. So first of all,
Um,
we have to take some information before analyzing this part. Okay. So what
okay.
information we have to take? We have to take first information, the market condition. The market condition is a ranging market. Market condition is a trendy market, or market condition in the ranging market or in the trendy market. What's the situation? Is there any momentum, or what type of situation here? So when we see there is a momentum, so that is the powerful situation. That means sellers are in a power. Okay.
Uh,
So
all
now
right.
this candlestick got rejected from here. By this weeks, we can easily come to know that buyers entered from here. It pushed the market up and it closed the candlestick here. So that means
Okay.
this area we can call buyers are available from here. So next time what happened? This is the very strong pressure to the sell side. Now this candlestick again broke the support, this support,
Right.
and then volume is high. This is one thing. Okay. And another thing we have to follow, this is the rejection, another rejection. So this
Okay.
rejection come from which area? If we see there is a strong situation here by the buyer side, and that is very near to this rejection. That is very near to this rejection, this support area. So that
Okay.
situation is totally different. This is totally different situation. And if we see there is a level, market level that is far away. So that is another situation. If we see there is a level that is not so strong, minor level, that is exactly from this rejection point here. Okay, I'm perfectly here.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
these all situation we have to follow. So if the situation is here or little below here, so that time, although every situation, everything is okay, so that time we don't have any opportunity, because market will give us 50-50% opportunity, 50-50% winning ratio. Sometimes win, sometimes loss, because of this level. But if we see
Okay.
there is a level, but that level is far away, or exactly here there is a gap, so and this is the pressure from the seller side, that time we can easily take this one as a bearish candlestick. We can think that next candle fall down because of
Okay.
total market condition, and there is no level here, there is no buyers area here, a strong buyers area here, and this rejection is far away, or there is a rejection that there is no area here by the buyer's side. So that time we can easily think that okay, this will act as a sign of continuation, and we can add all others concept like this one we can call it's a single candlestick pattern. We can call it's a continuation candle with high volume, and this rejection, this breakout happened, this rejection breakout happened, so that will give us a very high winning ratio, perfect winning. Okay, but we must follow all the things, the market condition, the present condition of the market, is there any momentum here or not, and where, from where the rejection come, all the things we have to follow. Okay.
Yeah. I think this is one of our older thing. I'm not sure what's happening, but I think these are some of the older notes.
This one.
Um, yeah, this is not the homework I sent. Let me just check. Sorry.
Okay,
Let
okay,
me.
okay, okay, okay. Okay, you can check.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not sure why this is coming out. Let me just do a. I don't know how to check without getting out of the Zoom.
Uh,
um,
okay, so okay, I think
yes.
it's my mistake. Okay, I think it's my
Oh, okay.
mistake. I think
Okay.
it's
All
my
right.
mistake. Okay, I'm again.
Yeah, we have to go right forward to the current ones.
Yes, I think these are the present.
Yes, yeah. These are the ones. Yeah,
These are the present. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
because we covered psychological candles and the master week.
Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm checking again.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think from here.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
sorry for that. I'm really sorry.
No, that's okay. I learned more.
Okay, so here a strong momentum from basement and master week green candle. Okay, so basement, and then this is the situation here, this candlestick. Okay, week size decreasing. Okay, yes. Master week. Okay, yes, when we get any master week, basically when the master week work very perfectly, try to understand when any momentum, okay, and there is a master
Yeah.
week, and there is a master week, and that master week last candlestick broke the last week, then
Okay.
we have opportunity that will give a very perfect winning. Okay, master week
Okay.
and the master week last week's breakout happened by the next candle, so that will give us a very perfect winning. Yes, you're right here. Okay.
Okay. All right. Just one query.
Yes.
Does the master week only can it only just go for one side of the weeks,
Yes,
or does it?
exactly, it's for one
Okay.
side. It's for one side.
Okay.
Not mix
All
up
right.
of this one. Okay, when market create that type of situation, we can easily take that one as a psychological movement.
Okay.
Psychological
All right.
movement, not the master week. So psychological pattern red green. Yes, that is red. No. When market going up, definitely we have to take green, red, then green, not the red green. Okay.
Okay.
The green will first. We have to take this green first. This green.
Okay.
Because when market is going up, definitely we have to place our trade to the upward direction only, not the downward direction. And when market falls down, then we have to take first one as a red.
Okay.
A strong momentum and then psychological pattern green red. Okay, this is your mistake. So you have to take the red one first. Red, green, red. Then no, it's not your setup actually, because only one you have taken from here. That's why this is the calculation. But in the downtrend market, calculation start from red.
Okay.
Red, green, red. Then if market create another green, then we can place our trade to the downward direction as a red color candle. Okay, in the red color candle. Okay, here master week. Okay, master week. How we can take this one as a master week? Volume increasing. Volume increasing. Okay, then 1, 2, 3. Okay, there is actually it's not perfect master week setup. Okay, first of all, for the master week setup, because it has no weeks.
Oh, okay.
So it has no weeks. So we have to take this 1 weeks, this 1 weeks, this 1 week. So each and every candlestick has weeks, and each and every candlestick, if there is weeks, then little upper rejection, little. Then this one second, then this one third. So we can take. Okay, and then this is the strong one. This is the little larger than this one, and this is the shorter. So then it's a perfect setup. And basically when we have to take that setup, when market is in a momentum situation, okay, strongly falling down, aggressively falling down, so then we can easily take that situation as a master week situation, and we have to take this is the week analysis. That's why each and every candlestick must have weeks. Okay.
Okay. All right. That's okay.
Okay, here psychological candle, previous area of consolidation. Okay, but the condition of the market is not good. Okay, you must follow this this type of rejection. Okay, this type of rejection. So when market create this type of rejection, upper rejection, lower rejection, very
Okay.
very volatile. So when this candlestick start forming, so the market condition was very fast, like this type of. In
Okay.
this type of market condition, it's very hard to get a perfect entry point. If you
Okay.
want to place your trade here, your candle, your trade will place here to the upper direction, but it closed below your entry point. That time you must lose.
Okay.
So that's the problem. That's the problem. So you have to follow this type of situation. This type of situation.
Okay.
A strong bearish momentum. Okay. So previous area consolidation. So you mentioned this part or this part.
So number one was the previous area of consolidation.
Okay, yes,
Then,
consolidation area, previous market consolidation. Number second is a
yeah,
strong bearish momentum. A strong bearish move. 1, 2, 3. Yes, a strong bearish momentum. Third one is
second area of consolidation at the
at
same
the
level as
same
the
level.
previous.
Okay, and yes. Again, market came back to the same level, same area,
Yes.
consolidation area. Previously, it was a ranging area, consolidation area. So more possibility, market may create another ranging or consolidation area here at the right side also. It can happen. Okay. So psychological colors. Okay, yes. Psychological movement or colors and situation here. So previously, if we observe in this area, so that was basically I don't know the previous market condition. If the previous market condition up, so definitely we have to start from bullish. Okay, from here.
Yeah.
Then green, then red, then green, then red, then green. That was also a psychological pattern or psychological movement here. So now when market again came back to that same area, it was falling down. So now we can start from the red candle, red, green, red. Okay, no. It's not your perfect setup. You need two setup, then third setup. First candle you have to place your trade. That means in the downtrend market, we have to start from red. Okay, red, green. That is first setup. Red, green. That is another setup. So now see here, when market create, suppose market came back to the support area. Okay, that is a strong support area. So when market came back to the strong support area, and it already created which situation? See, the situation is this is the low. Sorry, this is the low, and this is the higher low. Okay.
Yeah.
So when market creating low and then higher low, so that is risky for us. Why? Because it's a previous basement consolidation area and the basement, and after that basement market started to go up strongly. So market again came back to the same area. So anytime buyers may enter in the market very strongly. So that's why in this area we will not analyze like that. Okay, but when this is the basement, market is now falling down, market was here, it's a range. When market create another range, it's the early stage, and then suddenly market trying to create another range. So that time we can take, that was not the early stage. That's the last stage of the market, and this is the early stage. So powerful situation here, and this area is a very strong area by the buyer side. So that's why market may create another basement here, and it can again started to go up very strongly. So that's why it's risky. This area is risky for this setup, but this area is a very safe for this setup because early stage of the market, and there is a consolidation area at the left side. When market create another consolidation area at the right side, so then we can easily place our trade here to the downward direction.
Okay.
So that will give us a very perfect movement. Okay.
Yeah.
So now today I'm going to share here the relation between body, any candlestick body and the wicks. Okay. So try to understand some different situation. So different situation, that means, first of all, if we see the each and every candlestick, suppose you are making this mistake, that's why it's very important for you. This candlestick has this rejection. This candlestick has this rejection. Next candlestick, this one. Another candlestick, this one. Another candlestick, this one. This one, but rejection, this one. This one. That is the sign of abnormal market.
Yeah.
So when we see that type of market, just we have to go out from the market. No need to analyze. Okay.
Okay.
But I am talking about a very good market condition when there is no volatile situation. Just market is creating normally this type of candlestick, this type of candlestick. Okay. This type of candlestick. So in this type of market condition, when suddenly we see one candlestick that rejection is like this type of, that is the normal market, but rejection is little large rejection, but market is normal market. Okay, this market is normal situation, normal market, but suddenly one candlestick rejection is this one. Okay, now we need to understand this rejection and this body of this candlestick. So it's looking like a small body candlestick, but rejection is a strong rejection. So there are so many things related to it. First of all, if there is a basement here, and from that basement, if market going up very strongly, that meaning is one situation here, one types of meaning. And if the same situation happened at the last stage of the market, that meaning is totally different. So first of all, I'm drawing some candlestick here. So we have to, in CWRV, we have to know very well the relation between these wicks and the body. This is one candle. And this is another candle. This one. This is another candle. This one. So now tell me please, in this three candlestick, which candles are stronger by the buyer side?
Okay. All right. So I think the strongest of all the three candles is the middle one on the buyer side.
On the buyer side, all the three candles are stronger.
No, the middle one. The middle
one,
candle.
middle one
Yes.
is the stronger. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. By the buyer side, middle one is a strong candlestick. It's okay. But this is only your correction. You have to correct one thing here. Just you are observing the rejection. You have to observe the body also.
Okay.
So try to understand. This is the tricks here. So if we just follow this thing here, this is the opening price. Am I right? This one?
Yes.
Okay. This one, the opening price. And when market start open from here, it just little go up, again fall down, again go up, again fall down. It not create at a time, just up, down, up, down. By this way, this candlestick formed. That means from here, when it's a starting point here, it little push the market down. So here to here, who come?
Sellers.
Sellers come first.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm drawing by red color. Sellers come here to here. Then buyers again come from here, and finally it push the market totally up, 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 and it hit this area here. Okay, it hit this area here.
Yeah.
So that means buyers are a stronger, powerful situation. So from that point, who start from here? Who come from here?
The sellers. The sellers.
Definitely sellers again come from here.
Yeah.
And it push the market down. From which area to which area? From here to here.
Yeah.
Not more than this. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, try to understand in this case. Buyers start from here, it push the market down. So here to here, sellers come.
Yeah.
And then from that area, buyers again start from here, it just push the market up and it hit this area. From that point, sellers again push the market down. Okay, sellers again push the market down. So now try to understand which sellers are powerful in this case. These sellers or these sellers?
In the second one, the sellers are stronger.
Second one, sellers are stronger. That's why they push the market more down and they fight with buyers, and it finally close this candlestick as a weak bullish candlestick. That means sellers power is high in this case. Okay, sellers power is very, very high. Then this one. So which power in this candlestick is high now then?
So the first one is buyers.
Buyers, because if the buyers are not so stronger, definitely these sellers again push the market more down and it close this candlestick more down, push the market down, it close the candlestick here. That time we will get this size candlestick, the rejection here to here, and body this one.
Yeah.
That means there is a significant role in the body part also in the CWRV. Okay.
Okay.
So you told just this one powerful, but not only this one, this is also powerful.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that's why we have to find out a relation between the upper rejection and lower. Yes, it's the lower rejection is very high because sellers tried from here, it pushed the market down, but buyers aggressively fight and strongly fight with the sellers, and it pushed the market again up, and finally this candlestick close here. So that is the very, very strong situation here by the buyer side. That is a strong situation here. And this is also very strong situation. Both are powerful situation here by the buyer side. Now, not only these two candlestick, we will not analyze just these two candlestick. Okay. So we have to analyze the total market condition, then only we can get a perfect result. So in this situation, suppose any level is here, seller's entry point area here is here. It got rejected. There is no extreme seller's entry point area here. So market got rejected from this area. And by this time, volume is high than previous candlestick volume. So now, what happening here? This is the pressure from the buyer side. And this is the pressure from the seller side.
Yeah.
This pressure from the buyer side because it's the early stage of the market. So now the thing is, volume is high. So whose volume is high here? Seller's volume or buyer's volume? This is the main thing here. Okay. Seller's volume high or buyer's volume high in this case. So this data we can easily take from the Delta River software. So if we use Delta River software, each and every candlestick has internal data. It has like this type of box, and each and every point when buyers increase its volume, when sellers increase its volume, you can easily get that information. But try to understand in CWRV. So in CWRV, you have to take this area first. Is there any strong basement here or not? Yes, this is a strong basement. Okay. Now, this is a momentum or not? Yes, this is a momentum. That means we can trust that buyers are very, very stronger in this case. Okay. So now, when buyers are stronger, it got rejected from this area and previous weeks breakout happened and volume high, and there is a gap. So market may fill up this gap by creating another candlestick here. That means we have to think that this is extra volume here, this is strong volume here by the buyer side. Okay. Why? What's the reason? Because of this early stage of the market, because of this strong momentum of the market, because of this rejection, but this rejection is already breakout happened from the previous level. Even sometimes if it closed below the level, that time market may go up also. Because of the total market condition, we have to take the total area, total market condition as this volume. When increase, that volume is by the buyer side. Okay. So it doesn't mean that 100% time it break the level and go up. No, not like that. Sometimes sellers may also enter in the market, but most of the time buyers enter in the market, it break the level, or it just create this size candlestick, another candlestick here, like this one, or sometimes breakout may happen. like this.
Okay.
So that's why when we face this type of situation, we have to take the total previous market condition. What's the previous situation? Is there any powerful situation here? Yes, this is a chart pattern. And then market created a first movement that is very strong movement. Yes, there is a level here. It got rejected from that level. It doesn't mean that sellers entered in the market very strongly by these weeks and it increased the volume. Not like that. Why? Because of this situation.
Okay.
And see, this sellers, if the candlestick wicks is like this type of, if we add the total situation here, this part to this part we have to take from the buyer side, totally from the buyer side, because sellers enter first time here and then buyers again enter, push the market up, and total this is the, we can call this the buyer's situation here, buyer side, this one totally, and this is now by the seller side. So that is not so strong. Sellers are not so strong here. Buyers are stronger in this case here. Okay.
Okay.
So then we can expect when breakout happen, and then we can expect that next candle go up, because the situation is like this type of, and when finally momentum start and then there is a level rejection, so it doesn't mean that sellers already enter. So this is situation by seller situation is stronger looking like, and but in this case buyers, the total market condition is stronger by the buyer side. That's why next candlestick go up. But if you face any problem, if you face any confusion situation, that time try to avoid. Okay. And when you get a very perfect opportunity, then only you can place your trade. So now try to understand the basically I will give you some sense about the buyers and how buyers and sellers entered in the market by these weeks, and what's the buyer's area, what's the seller's area, and how we handle this type of situation. Okay, now try to understand here. This is the another candlestick. That candlestick upper rejection is little like this one, and lower rejection is like this one. Okay, so we can easily come to know that buyers are powerful situation in this candlestick. The total here to here, the total area here by the buyer side. Upper rejection is, we can call it the seller's pressure, but buyer's pressure high and the body is stronger. That means buyers are powerful. Okay, because there is no level, nothing here. If there is level, that is totally different thing. But if there is no level, so now we can take this one as a buyer's powerful situation. Okay, now when this candlestick break this area, so now this is another candle like this one. Okay, if we add volume here, this candlestick volume is this one, this candlestick volume is this one, and then last last candlestick volume, this one. So when this candle got rejected from here, so for the next candle, that was resistance. Am I right?
Yes.
When the rejection is this one, that is resistance. Okay, when this candlestick formed and got rejected, if this candlestick volume is low, okay, if this candlestick volume is low, and this candlestick got rejected, there is seller's entry point area here. Suppose there is seller's entry point area here. That is a strong seller's entry point area. Okay. And market got rejected. Market got rejected very strongly, and this candlestick volume is low. And this breakout happened. So in this case, we have to take this one as a resistance, sellers area, sellers entered in the market, sellers entered in the market. By this situation, we have to take this situation, the total situation here. It's a strong momentum. Buyers are in this case powerful. When it got rejected from the sellers area, so sellers entered in the market, but sellers failed to increase their own volume. Okay. If the volume is like this type of, it's a little tricky, but try to understand.
Okay.
Volume is high, so more possibility sellers may enter in the market. Okay, from here, sellers may enter in the market after rejection. So, but if we see the volume is low here, so more possibility buyers may enter. Because of this area, this is sellers area, but sellers are not interested now here. So, and this candlestick may break this level also.
Okay.
So we need to understand the buyers area and the sellers area. So now, this candlestick, try to follow this candlestick. It's it got rejected from here, and now this candlestick volume is high. So, and this is a strong sellers entry point area, very strong sellers entry point area. And think that this area, you can take this situation as a last stage of the market also. Okay.
Okay.
When this situation happen here, so then you can take next candle down. Because of this sellers area, because of this rejection, and because of this sellers entry.
Okay.
So when this area at the last stage of the market, and that already got rejected first time, and then volume is low, so that's why buyers may enter. But when this candlestick again got rejected from the sellers area, so that time it very near to the sellers area, and now volume increase. That means by these weeks already sellers entered in this candlestick in the market, and that is the last stage of the market. So that's why we can expect next candle down. So you need to understand both this area and this area. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is early stage. That is early stage.
Yeah.
And that is the last stage. So same thing. I'm just explaining here by the buyer side. Just you have to take same situation from the seller side also. Okay. Here, downtrend market.
Okay.
So this is the rejection point, and that is market resistance level. So there is no resistance level. That's why we have to take that point as a resistance level. Okay, now this is the another rejection point. Okay, so here, if we take this condition, so now tell me this situation, you are understanding or not? This situation.
No, I've understood it.
Okay.
What I wanted to hear was when you said don't trade immediately. So I want to know.
Yes. Why? Because if it's an uptrend market, and if there is any momentum situation, although everything is okay here, everything is okay, we are we know that the situation here, because this candlestick got rejected from this extreme sellers entry point area, and these sellers push the market down and it closed below this resistance level, sellers entry point area. So that's why sellers will enter in the market. So that's the logic here. That's why sellers may enter in the market, because first candlestick got rejected first time, and then second candlestick again got rejected and it closed below the level with high volume. That means this volume, we have to take that one as a seller's volume, because rejection is also high, body is also weak body. If we take this part to this part, here now this one the seller's part, here now this one the buyer's part, here to here.
Yeah.
So that's why when this situation happened, we are thinking that okay, market may fall down. But if we see there is a we can take this trade also. If we see this is first time market reverse, second time market reverse, so third time market again came here, and that situation is a ranging or sideways situation. Definitely we can enter from here to the downward direction. Okay.
Okay.
We can enter from here to the downward direction, but in this situation, when market create like breakout happen, volume is high, and that is also extreme sellers entry point area. So now everything is okay here, because this is a strong buyers, a strong body now, and breakout happen. So volume is high. Now this pressure is now by the buyer's side. Okay. So buyers broke this level. So if this is early stage of the market, then place your trade here to the upward direction for 1 minute. Next candle up. But if it's a last stage of the market, don't place your trade here to the upward direction. Next candle again fall down.
Okay.
Why? Because of this area only for area. It's the last stage of the market, buyer showing its weakness. So now it may create a ranging type situation here. Buyers, sellers type situation. After that, sellers may enter in the market and it may fall down. So that will create problem. So that's why we don't have any opportunity. But if the situation is here, and that this is definitely, this is not extreme area, extreme sellers entry point area. So breakout happened, volume high. So we have opportunity here to the upward direction. So, and we need to understand the ratio. Okay. The ratio also. What's the ratio? Ratio is like this. Ratio is upper rejection is like, okay, sorry. Upper rejection is like this type of, but market is good. Okay. Market is good. Upper rejection like this type of. So now sellers are powerful in this case, but we have to take this situation at the last stage, not the early stage.
Okay.
Now, even more weak candlestick, like this one. Market is good, just only this candlestick got rejected from above, more above, and this situation. So that we have to take as a weakness sign at the last stage here. But when here, so we know that this is a rejection from the seller side and sellers entered in the market. So, but this movement and this area is a very strong area by the buyer side. That's why we don't have any opportunity here to place our trade to the downward direction immediately. Although volume condition is like high, volume condition is high. There is rejection here from that area. If we think that sellers already entered in the market, volume high, so we can place our trade here to the downwards. No, not like that. Okay. So in this case, we have to take this situation. This high volume is by the buyer side because of this area. So if it got rejected and if there is a little weak and it breakout happen, so that time we can easily place our trade here to the upward direction. Market will go up. But if the each and every candlestick volume, and if each and every candlestick like this type of rejection, so definitely we have to avoid this type of market. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So your next class assignment will, you have to search the good market, okay, not the bad market, good market condition, and when market facing any level at the last stage and at the early stage, okay.
Okay.
Suppose market
Yeah.
create this got rejected from here and volume is low or volume is high. So what will be the situation? And when last stage of the market volume is low, volume is high, what is what type of situation market creating? Okay, so that
Okay.
is the weak analysis today, and that is the comparison of body and the wicks at the level. Okay, when this type of, okay, let me just finish this one. When market creating this size candlestick here, okay, so there is a gap, so volume is low here in this case. So we have to take the total situation, this situation, a strong situation here by the buyer side. So we can expect next candle up, but where next candle up? When market is at the early stage. But when market is at the last stage, if this rejection is from the sellers area, and this rejection is and this volume is high than previous candlestick volume, more possibility in next candle down.
Okay.
Next one. Why? Because already it's the last stage of the market, volume high. Although this body is stronger and volume is high, it doesn't mean that buyers are stronger, because it already got rejected from the sellers area. Sellers already entered in the market. Rejection is a low rejection, weak, short rejection, but the area is a very strong area by the seller side. They increase their own volume from that seller's area. That's why next candle down we can expect. Okay.